The world we live in is full of noise. Everyone around you is fighting for attention, posting, sharing, talking. But let me ask you this. What if the most powerful thing you could do isn't to add to the noise, but to remove yourself from it entirely? Imagine slipping away, quietly and purposefully, to rebuild yourself into someone unrecognizable, stronger, smarter, and more resilient than ever. Here's the truth. The more you display your life, the more people find ways to bring you down. It's a natural phenomenon, but there is immense power in disappearing. Not to hide, but to work, to transform, to rise from the ashes like a phoenix. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step through how to disappear, work in the shadows, and come back, if you even want to. By the time we're done, you'll realize you don't need validation from anyone. The only opinion that will matter is your own. Let's break it down into 3 steps. Step 1, how to disappear. Step 2, what to do in the shadows. Step 3, how to reappear. And if you mess up any part of this, especially the last, you're going to regret it. Let's begin. Step 1, how to disappear. Disappearing is the hardest and most liberating thing you will ever do. It's not just about retreating physically, it's a complete mental and emotional withdrawal from the noise. Let me show you how. Shut your mouth. Every word you say is a window into your life. It's where people find ways to criticize, belittle, and hold you back. From now on, silence is your superpower. Don't share your plans, your dreams, or your progress with anyone unless they are 100% aligned with your vision. And if you're unsure whether they are, assume they're not. Keep your thoughts and ambitions locked away. Silence isn't weakness, it's control. Cut off distractions. Social media is your biggest enemy. Every post you read, every comment you're tempted to leave, pulls you away from yourself. Log out. Delete the apps if you must. Stop caring about likes, shares, or comments. They're meaningless metrics that only dilute your focus. Instead, use that time to focus on you. Reprogram your mind. This is where transformation truly begins. Stop seeking validation. Let go of the fear of judgment. Here's the cold truth. Most people don't care about you, and the few who do will respect your silence. Create a version of yourself in your mind, a future you. Obsess over that version. What would they think of your actions today? That's the only opinion that matters now. Be intentional with your circle. The people closest to you can either elevate or destroy you. If someone isn't contributing to your growth, step back. It's not selfish, it's survival. Surround yourself only with those who inspire, challenge, and push you. Everyone else, let them wonder where you've gone. Step 2, what to do in the shadows. You've disappeared. The world is quiet. Now what? This is the most critical part of your journey. The work you do in the shadows will define who you become. Set clear, ambitious targets. What do you want to become? Don't go for unclear goals like, I want to be successful. Be specific. Do you want to build a business that generates 6 figures? Do you want to lose 50 pounds and become an athlete? Write it down. Visualize it. Post it where only you can see it. Let it consume you. Create a strict and disciplined routine. Your routine is your weapon. Every hour of your day should align with your goal. Mornings? Dedicate them to physical training or skill development. Afternoons? Work without giving up on your craft. Evenings? Reflect, plan, and learn. Time is the most valuable resource you have. Use it wisely. Master your emotions. Working in the shadows is lonely. You'll face moments of doubt, frustration, and exhaustion. But this is where true strength is created. Embrace the solitude. Let it teach you resilience. Every struggle is a test, and every test is an opportunity to grow. Protect your progress. When you start to see results, keep them to yourself. Sharing your progress too soon can slow you down. Let people guess. Let them wonder. Your silence will speak louder than any words ever could. Step 3, how to reappear. If and when you choose to reappear, do it with intention. But here's the secret. By the time you've transformed, you'll find that you don't need to reappear. You won't need the validation anymore. But if you do, be unrecognizable. The you that reappears should be nothing like the you that disappeared. Physically, mentally, emotionally, You should be a walking proof to the power of transformation. Let your results do the talking. Stay humble and grounded. Fight the proof to show off your success. True power is quiet. Let people notice the change on their own. If they ask, smile. Mystery is magnetic. Never stop evolving. The journey doesn't end here. Transformation is a continuous process. Set new goals. Keep pushing boundaries. The moment you stop growing is the moment you start falling back into the noise. Conclusion. Disappearing is not about hiding. It's about reclaiming your power. In the shadows, you'll find who you truly are. The process will be painful. It will test you, but it will also rebuild you. When you step into the shadows, you're not stepping away from the world. You're stepping toward your destiny. And when you finally emerge, you won't just be transformed. You'll be unstoppable. If this message resonates with you, like this video. Subscribe for more strategies to dominate your life. And remember, the shadows aren't where you disappear. They're where you rise.